Okay, so here is a problem for completing this square. And when you look at it, you see that x is squared and y is squared, but they're both negative. So you can actually handle this a couple different ways. One is to add the x squared and the negative y squared to both sides to move it over, or you could just multiply the whole thing by -1. It's an equation, so if you do something to the left, you must do it to the right. So whatever way works best for you is fine. Let's just multiply by -1 and see what we get. So if we do that, we get 10x minus 41. It's every term. And then this would become x squared plus y squared plus 8y minus 49. Okay, when we're completing the square, we want all the x's on one side, all the y's on one side, and the constant on the other. So we're going to add 49. And that moves the constant. And we're going to subtract 10x. Okay, and we're going to put all of our x's together, all of our y's together, and our constants together. So the constant is going to be 8. The x's, you're going to get x squared minus 10x. Leave a little space in there. And then move to your y's and organize them. You have your y squared plus 8y. And then again, you have some space in here. Okay, now we're going to complete this square. To complete this square for x, we take half of -10 and square it. And so we're going to add 25 to this side and over here as well. We're going to complete this square for the y's. So we take half of 8, which is 4, and we're going to square 4 and get 16. So we need to add that to this side as well. So this side becomes 49. This, our goal now is to factor these things. So we're going to factor that into x minus 5, and hopefully you're getting the hang that it's going to be x minus 5 squared. And then this is y plus 4, and we can rewrite that as this is called standard form. I don't know if I said that before. This is standard form of a circle. Because in this form, we can look at and understand that the radius is 7, because this is the radius squared, and the center is 5, -4. Also, I think on the Desmos activity, when they're asking you to find the area and the circumference, it does ask you to round to the nearest tenth. I think that's just so it's easier for Desmos to grade. So if we wanted the area, it would be pi r squared. And that is, oh, that's not that. So let's see if I can make it work. 49 pi, obviously. And then you just take your pi key on your calculator, and if you were to round it, I don't know if I can do this real fast. Let's see. Nope. There we go. Times 49. If I rounded it, I would get approximately 153.9. Okay, circumference, we could do the same thing. So circumference would be 2 pi r, which would be 14 pi. And if you were asked to round that to the nearest tenth, it would be 44.0. All right, there's the first example, or maybe the second. I might put this as a second.